Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little different. Instead of diving into coding or AI agents, I wanted to show you a product that so many of you have been asking about. I always get comments like, hey, what screen recorder are you using? So today I'm finally sharing one of the tools I recently tried and I absolutely loved. Let's jump right in. This is a tool I want to show you. It's called FocuSee. I really like it just because I don't have to spend my time doing the editing. One of the examples I can show you right now is that one of their strength is the automatic zoom. So if I highlight the word here, it will just automatically zoom in. This is pretty good because when I do the AI agent coding tutorial, I share my screen and I wanted to highlight this specific line of code. This would just do the work for me. Like I really don't need to do any editing. So I'll just highlight it and even do the screen focusing for me, like you can see here. And this is kind of cool because you can kind of change different cursor, and actually the cursor is really good. It's very cool just to see it's like how easy it is to use AI to editing videos. So I really don't like editing, to be honest. And having tools like this would just save so much time. My job would just go in and make a record and do the tutorial, which is coding, which I like, rather than spending my time editing, doing all of the logistic work. And they have a bunch of different AI features here. It's AI virtual avatar, AI subtitle generation, AI background removal. I cannot speak for the AI virtual avatar just because I show my face. And but if you wanted to do like some commercial video, but you don't want to show your face, maybe this is one of the good option. You can create your own avatar as well. So what I did was I went to ChatGPT, asked ChatGPT to generate a character for me, and then I used that, uploaded here as the virtual avatar. Um, I use a lot of AI subtitle generation. One of the introduction video of this video is using AI subtitle generation. I just do my work, which is doing the tutorial, and the AI just do the speech to text subtitle generation for me. And I also use AI background removal. As you can see, like behind me, there's like some paintings, and I just choose the AI background removal, and then I choose the white background, which is this look really cool. You can change to any color, or you can have any kind of like virtual background that you like, and it look really real. I also use this feature, AI voice enhancement, to remove the sounds and make my voice or my sounds clearer. Um, yeah, so like the word like or is can just like automatically detect it and remove. I try it, but my style, like I'm really freestyle. It's very natural for me, so I added it back. Like it's really just remove all the and all of the like the space in between. But really, it's just not my style, so I added back. There's four in this video. You see a lot of or which I shouldn't have, but well, let's move on. This is AI noise reduction. I use this too, so you can kind of hear or like within the video that I record very clear. I do have a microphone here, but this AI noise reduction was really helpful even when I don't use the my mic here. Um, yeah, that would be all the feature that I use so far. And then one thing is you can basically download stuff for free. Let me know how you think about this. And for a couple of next videos that I plan for, I'll be using FocuSee to do the screen recording for my coding tutorial. So yeah, let's try it out and let me know how you think about it. I personally really like it. See ya.